In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower the price on Facebook Marketplace, whether you're looking to make your listing more competitive or simply need to adjust the price. We've got you covered with these easy steps. First, let's get started by heading over to Facebook. Open up your browser and navigate to Facebook's homepage. This is where it all begins. If you're like most of us, you're probably already logged in, but if not, make sure to do so now. Once you're on Facebook, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see the Marketplace icon. Go ahead and click on that. The Facebook Marketplace is your hub for buying and selling items, and it's the place where you will manage your listings. Next, in the upper section of Marketplace, you'll see a tab labeled Selling. Click on it to access a list of all your current listings. This area is where you can keep track of what you're selling, and it's also the spot where you can make necessary changes to your listings. Find the listing you want to update and look for the icon with 3 dots, which you'll find next to your listing. Give those 3 dots a click. This will open a drop-down menu with several options tailored for modifying your listing. Among these options, you'll want to choose Edit Listing. Go ahead and select it. Now you'll be taken to a page where you can change various details of your listing, including the price. To lower the price, simply locate the section where the current price is displayed and enter your new lower amount. Consider what comparable items are being listed for to ensure your new price is attractive to potential buyers. After you've input your new price, it's essential to save these changes. At the bottom of this page, you'll see an Update button. Clicking on Update will save your changes and adjust the listing price on Facebook Marketplace. For any additional tweaks or updates, you can return to the Marketplace by following the same steps. As a quick reminder, go to Facebook and click on Marketplace from the left-hand menu. If you want to keep tabs on how your item is performing now with the new price, revisit your Selling tab to track its progress. Remember, even small price adjustments can make a significant difference in attracting buyers, so don't hesitate to revisit your pricing strategy as needed. Keep in mind that clear photographs and detailed descriptions can also impact your selling success. And there you have it. You've successfully lowered your price on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy selling!